Good afternoon to one and all. I am G.Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor from Computer Science Program. Today we are going to see about the concept in data structure, stack and queue. For that we have to know about an algorithm. What is meant by an algorithm? It is a method or a process followed to solve a problem. If the program is viewed as a function, then an algorithm is an implementation for the function that transforms an input to the corresponding output. For an algorithm in data structure point of view, there are some important categories: search, sort, insert, update, delete. Search algorithm to search a data item in a data structure. Sort, we can sort the data item in ascending or in descending order. Insert, we can insert a new data item into the data structure. Update, we can edit or update the existing data item in data structure. Delete, we can delete whatever the data item we don't want. Steps to develop an algorithm. Specifying the problem statement is the first step. Then designing an algorithm. Third one is coding. Fourth one is debugging. Fifth one testing and validating. And the last step is the documentation and maintenance. What are the properties of an algorithm? Algorithm takes part that 0 or more input. An algorithm results in 1 or more output. All operation can be carried out in a finite time. An algorithm should be efficient and flexible. It should contain less memory space as much as possible. In the data structure, one more concept we have to know about the sorting. Sorting is nothing but ordering the data item in an increasing or decreasing order to some relationship among the data item. The sorting can be classified into two types: internal sorting and external sorting. Internal sorting means the data item have to be sorted in the main memory. The external sorting is the sorting in which large blocks of data stored in storage device. Now we are moving to the new concept called the stack and the queue. Stack is an ordered list in which all insertions and deletions are made at one end, that is called as top. Stack can be created which possess a LIFO concept, last in first out property. Applications of stack: expression conversion, expression evaluation, reversing a string, decimal to binary conversion, storing function calls are the stack applications. In the stack operations, the following steps have to be followed. First one is the instance and the preconditions which can have to be checked for all the stack operations: stack full and stack empty. Before that, we have to know about what is known as instance. Stack is a collection of elements or data elements in which insertion and deletion are made at one end, that is called as the top. When we are inserting or deleting a stack operation, we have to check the condition whether stack is full, that is the condition whether stack is full or not. If the stack is full, we cannot push or insert a new data element. Stack is empty means we cannot delete the new existing data element, that is called as pop. Stack operations, that is push and pop. Push means inserting a new data element into the data structure at the top. Pop means we have to delete the existing data element from the stack. The following operations are performed in the stack: push, pop and display. After push, we can display the data element, which is new data element which is pushed into the stack can be also viewed in the display. When pop, the deleted data elements can be deleted and then existing data element can be displayed. Stack data structure can be implemented in two ways: one using array, another one is using linked list. Stack empty operation means top is equal to -1 means stack empty, that is we cannot able to pop the data element. Pop means we cannot able to delete the data element. We can only push operation, that is insert operation. Queue. The queue is another data structure concept. It is defined as an ordered collection of elements that has two ends named as front and rear. That is, in the front end and the rear end we can do the queue operations. Queue is also called as the FIFO concept, that is first in first out. The various operations in the queue are as given below: queue overflow, insertion of the element into the queue, queue underflow, deletion of the element from the queue, display the queue. That is, here also same as stack, in queue also we have to check whether the queue is empty or full. Instance have to be checked, that is deletion can be done in the front end and the insertion can be done in the rear end. DQ is a data structure in which the element can be inserted from both the end, that is in the front end and the rear end. Similarly, the element can be deleted from the both rear end and front end. Thank you.